Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Fashion Girly Hacks. How are you? I hope you're fine and doing well with good health and very happiness. And you have a lot of fun in your life. And this is me Asya. And today I show you in this video very stylish and latest collection of low maintenance hairstyles for girls and women. Many much more different ideas of low maintenance hairstyle with beautiful haircut. Eye-catching ideas of hair dye and many much more latest collection. Of hairstyle in low maintenance, some ideas fine hairstyle. Wavy hairstyle, curly hairstyle, messy hairstyles. And so beautiful collection of hair dye, blonde color, burgundy color. Light brown, dark brown, black color, grey color. Some ideas in funky colors and so attractive collection of haircut. Pixie haircut, bob haircut, chuggy haircut, wedge haircut. And many much more latest collection, latest ideas. I hope you like it. If you like it, so try this, and if you try it, I hope you look so nice and stylish. And you look too gorgeous. I hope you must try it. If you're new on my channel, I request you please do subscribe my channel. Like my video, share my video with your friends, your family members and others. And please fully support me, support my channel. My channel can't go without your support, your help. So I hope you do this. And share it your all over social media accounts. So fam, thank you so much. You are watching my video. Take care and bye bye.